Hey sunflowers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Danelly. I go by Danelly on Instagram and now YouTube plus TikTok. Okay, if you guys follow me on social media, you know I've been sharing a lot of DIY projects, but I wanted to share these specifically here on my YouTube channel. Let me know if you'd like more, by the way. And it's going to be based off all Dollar Tree products, but for this, you're going to be able to create organizers for your makeup brushes and for your makeup as well. And I just wanted to share it to save you a little bit of coin. But yeah, I hope you enjoy. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and comment. God bless you guys. Project number 1. Everything in the following video is from Dollar Tree, so it's super affordable. So I got these pearls and these vases. They had different kinds as well. I like these because they are tall. I just added the pearls and divided them equally, and then I went ahead and just added my brushes. Such an easy but yet cute little project. And I went ahead and just wanted to show you how it looks in lights. Project number 2. So for this one, I picked up this vase that you're able to write on with chalk, and I just wrote sponges, and then these LED lights that come with little diamonds. The LED light changes colors, as you can see, and I just placed that right in the middle, and then these little diamonds, and they also look so pretty when they're changing lights. I added the little diamonds, so I felt like I needed more, so I added a second layer of diamonds, and it just completed the vase. And I went ahead and just added sponges one by one. I also wanted to show you how this would look in lights. And by the way, I feel like, let me know if I'm wrong, but I feel like it just looked better without the wording, more aesthetically pleasing to me. Okay, moving on to project number 3. This was probably my favorite. So I got this Stay Fancy glass that you can use for wine. Nobody judges. Or you can use it for a brush holder. I got these little diamonds, the adhesive, and the stylus pen at Dollar Tree, so you're able to get them all there, by the way. And then I just added it to a little glass, and I was very patient with this. I went ahead and added the adhesive one by one, and after that everything was pretty much self-explanatory, and you're going to see how everything turns out. Just be patient. I just wrote Danelly on there, and now you have a cute little brush holder, or you can use it for whatever, and it doesn't even come off, so that's actually perfect. Project number 4. This one, I got this little cute container at Dollar Tree as well, and what I loved about this container, it just comes on and off, but I wanted to add these little diamonds that I got there as well. And of course I used my hot glue gun, and I just went ahead and added hot glue and the diamonds on top. Now it's much easier to open and close, and I love the kind of aesthetic that it gave to it. Such an easy project. Moving on to project number 5. Okay, for this one, I got the containers at Dollar Tree, and of course my hot glue gun, and I just went ahead and added the hot glue onto the container. I stacked it up, and look how easy that was, and it's not even falling. And then I went ahead and added some more glue to it, and then I just went ahead and pressed on the third container, and look how easy. For $3, you can't beat that. And again, let me just show you that it is very sturdy, and I just wanted to show you the end project and how cute it looked. Moving on to project number 6. Okay, for this one, it's actually candle holders, but I decided to add this adhesive that has like little diamonds, and of course I used my hot glue gun. And after that, the sticker actually had like some glue, but I actually decided to add some of the hot glue gun so it can last longer. And here you see me just adding it, and it was just that easy. Now I have some cute candle holders, which was so affordable to make as well. And I just wanted to show you the end project of everything a little bit more up close. So if you guys decide to create anything, make sure you tag me so I can see it, or send me a message, or even maybe an email. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. God bless you guys, and remember to stay positive throughout these times and just be creative. Let's finish it with the verse of the day, Psalms 34:1, King James Version. I will bless the Lord at all times. His praise shall continuously be in my mouth.